Building a dashboard in Excel used to take hours, setting up charts, formatting KPI cards, making everything look clean. But today, I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few prompts using Claude AI inside Excel. No formulas, no manual formatting. Just type what you want and Claude builds it. Let's go. So here's the file we're working with today. I've got two sheets. The first one is our raw sales data with revenue, cost, profit, and units sold across 3 regions and products over 6 months. The second sheet is a KPI summary with all the key numbers already calculated. I'll drop this file in the description so you can use the exact same data. Now, let's open Claude. Just click the Claude button right here in the ribbon, and the panel slides open on the side. If you haven't installed it yet, check the link in the description. Alright, here's our first prompt. I'm going to ask Claude to set up the foundation of our dashboard, a new sheet with a title and a clean summary table pulling from our KPI data. I'll type, create a new sheet called Dashboard. Add a title at the top that says Sales Performance Dashboard. Below the title, create a summary table showing total revenue, total profit, total units sold, and profit margin percent, pulling the values from the KPI summary sheet. And there it is. Claude created a brand new dashboard sheet, added the title, and pulled in all 4 KPI values into a clean summary table. That just saved us about 10 minutes of work right there. Now, let's add a chart to the dashboard. I want to see which region is bringing in the most revenue, so I'll ask Claude to build that bar chart and place it right on the dashboard. Using the sales data sheet, create a bar chart that shows the total revenue for each region, North, South, and East. Add it to the dashboard sheet below the summary table. Title the chart Revenue by Region. Claude goes into the sales data sheet, calculates the revenue per region, and drops the chart straight onto the dashboard. The dashboard is already starting to look like a real report. Last one, I want a line chart showing how our profit moved month by month. This kind of trend chart is something you'd see on any real business dashboard. I'll type, using the sales data sheet, create a line chart showing the total profit for each month from January to June. Place it on the dashboard sheet next to the bar chart. Title it Monthly Profit Trend. And Claude builds the line chart and places it right next to the bar chart on the dashboard. Look at that. We now have a full dashboard with KPI numbers, a regional breakdown, and a monthly trend, all from just 3 prompts. And that's it, a complete Excel dashboard built with Claude AI in under 3 minutes. No pivot tables, no manual chart setup, no formatting nightmare, just tell Claude what you want and it handles everything. Download the sample file from the description and try these exact prompts yourself. It works the same way on your own data too. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more Claude AI tutorials coming your way. See you in the next one.